Well, hello and welcome to the Zero Bros travel log. This is the second part of our series of videos to our short trip to the Ulu Choh Dirt Park for a little off-road riding. On the first video, we showed you a little bit of the journey here, how to get here, and the flat track, which you can see now. Now we are heading to the main area, and for today I will show you the motocross tracks, the mini track and the main track. So let's just head up to the gathering area, I should say, and from there I will show you the mini track. Because we got Scorpio in the Hyperbeast, he will be showing you the main track, and I will be going for the mini track on the little 125cc. Sabertooth Hyperbeast will be going for the motocross track. Okay, let's head up then to the gathering area. Let me just navigate out of this hole. Yeah. All right. We just stop by at the tentage area, and I will make my way towards the mini track where I will set up the Sabertooth for a little bit of a motocross ride. You can see we are going past the main track over here, motocross track, the tentage area which I mentioned before. Let's get for all these rocky areas. Looks pretty empty today, so we got the track all to ourselves. Okay, so for now I'm gonna remove my top box and get ready for the mini track, which is what you are seeing now. It's very windy today, and the Sabertooth looks ready for a bit of a little motocross action. Took off the big top box at the end, and the rest I'll just leave it as it is. No issues. I don't expect much from this little 125cc. Of course, don't forget it still has some two-stroke power to it. Okay, let's go. Let me just put up the visor and kickstart this bike. Alright. It's been a while since I've done any off-roading, so excuse the lack of skill. I forget to manage to do some stretching before I start. Alright, let's familiarize the track then, since I haven't done it for quite some time, but it should be still the same. They didn't make much differences to the small track, but the bigger track you will see later at the end, as in the later part of the video. It's been through quite a number of changes. This is the starting part of the track. Some little tips: don't just plant yourself on the seat, grip your frame. One thing I like about this track is a good warm-up to go before you go for the bigger track. You can see some familiarization of turns. You can take this, not a big turn also. I'll try it out later. And technically need to do a bit of settings change for this bike. That's okay, I guess. At the end of the day, depends on your skill. If a skilled rider, should be no problem. Whatever bike you give them, I think still they can go wild on it. Oh, there's this nice pit here for me to take a turn, and to end of the track I set a jump. Whew. It's been a while since I did any jumps and stuff. Take this big ass thing. Whew. That was fun. So that's basically it. There's the mini track here in Ulu Choh Dirt Park. See, I just show you a bit of the view. You can actually go and ride up there, and further up is all the trails. And there is the big track, which is across over there. You can see, this is why I was worried of. Never really set my bike so much here. I never tightened my petrol. It's starting to leak, or all the jumps and stuff. Okay, I'll just go one more round, show you one last time the mini track, then I will hand over to Scorpio. He will show you the big track at the with the Hyperbeast. That one sure go wild. Been a while since I ride the Hyperbeast also. You just need to ride out all the skids. Of course, at the end of the day, fitness is important, because as you can see, I also fitness wise not so good. Like this already tired. So I just going for a relaxing ride around this track. And bumps and stuff. Okay. Then go through this rut. lines. Not so good landing there. Alright, let's finish this off. Take this turn here and footed there. One last jump, and there you go. Alright, so that was the mini track. Woo! Tired, man. Alright, it's a nice run. So I'm going to cut this video here to Scorpiozero. He'll be heading around the big track, and I'm going to take a quick break. So see you in the next video, guys.
Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the third part of the travelogue video on the Zero Bros channel. I am Scorpiozero, and today on this video I'll be riding the big track, or the motocross track, here in Ulu Choh Dirt Park. By now y'all should have already watched the flat track video done by me, and the small track, or the smaller motocross track, done by Exzero. So let me just try to figure out how this track goes. This track always changes. It varies from the different races they have here in Ulu Choh Dirt Park. So let me just find out where the path leads me. Oh, what the hell is this? Okay, so there's this turn here, a horrible slope over there, nice turn over here, very bumpy jump. I'm heading back to the bigger portion of this track. Should I turn right or left? Let me just take a left. Very, very bumpy corners over here. Okay, so we're back here. Let me just take this left over here. I don't know where that brings me. This path goes up here, and if I could remember correctly, there's a right turn. No? There's no right turn? Oh shit, let me just take this path over here. Hopefully it brings me somewhere. Is there a right turn, or am I entering a trail? It looks like I'm entering a trail right now. Oh shit. Screw this. I'm just gonna ride through this trail over here, and hopefully it leads me back to this track which I was riding before. Okay, found it. That means I took the wrong route or wrong path. Okay, it seems that we shouldn't be going up there. We should be taking these few bends over here. Bends. I have no idea where to go now. There's nowhere to go there, so just go back there and see where I can go in this track. Woohoo! Oh, let me just ride that. Looks nice. And I don't know where this jump brings me to. And another jump. It's really confusing as there's no specific track made right now. Probably the off season, no races happening or no races going on. Another turn over here. Let me just try this jump warm up, eh? Woohoo! A really tiny jump, that one. Let me just try another one. Oh! Where the hell am I going? I don't want to spoil the fun of all the drone flyers over there. Really nice planes. Woo! Sorry. Oh shit, what happened to this jump? Look at this, man. How the hell do you expect me to jump there? And another turn. Hopefully that turn leads me back to the starting point, if I remember this track correctly. It's been some time, eh? Woohoo! Okay, I have no idea how this track goes, but I'ma just ride it anyways. Hopefully I'll just make a lap of my own. This first turn that we made, and this turn over here, and this horrible jump which has a lot of bumps to it. Oh no! I have a strong feeling I might fall halfway through on this makeshift track that I made for myself. Firstly, I have no idea where I'm going. And we're back here again. Back here. Just make this turn over here. This really sandy turn. And go up this really nice steep hill turn over here. The really bumpy one. Oh my goodness. Shit. Really tight turn over here. Oh no, not enough power. No power. Nice. Ah, miss jumping this. Can I make the jump? Can I make this jump? Oh shit! Too much running. I endoed on that landing. Nope, I'm not gonna jump this one. And not this one either. Woo! And a shortcut back to the starting point. Yeah! Whoa, 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 whoa! Nah, oh shit! A really rough landing on there. This video might take quite long, as I still haven't figured out the right route to show you guys. Okay, and the bumpy jump. Yeah, got it. I really apologize for my scrappy riding. It's been some time I've rode on that, so don't mind my lousy ass riding on this track. Okay. And my own makeshift corner over here. Up the hill. A nice turn over here. The bumpy ass corner again. Oh my goodness. Need to get my ass off the seat for that one. Okay. Going too far on that braking. Oh, still not confident to take bigger jumps yet, as I don't want to get myself injured. Okay, small jumps like that will do for now. this really rough turn over here. Yeah! And the last few turns over here to finish off today's video. A really long one. Jump this. Okay. Okay, can I make another small jump on this finish line? Okay, and landed too much to the front again. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching me making a fool out of myself on this track, which it really isn't a track for now. So if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to also follow our Instagram and Facebook page on the Zero Bros channel. Even my legs aren't responding to me right now. So on the next video, we'll be doing a trail ride. If I have enough petrol, that is. We'll be doing a trail ride up to the quarry. As you can see in Ulu Choh Dirt Park, there's actually a lot of trails in there. Some hardcore, some novice. We'll be taking the novice route up to the quarry. Hopefully I take the novice route, because we actually got stuck in one of the hardcore trails here, stuck overnight even. So hope you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos on the Zero Bros channel. Always ride safe. Peace.